Yo, hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do school test. So let's start. For this we will first create the path for the profile. For this let's choose the line tool and go to front elevation. After that create a line at 1000 mm. Choose the select tool. Now we will create a horizontal line for the path. We will enter this 650 as the dimension. Now we'll create a parallel line to this. Here the profile tool. Now we'll create a circle. Give the dimension 25 down. Select the erase tool. Erase this line. Now we'll go to follow me tool and select the profile and follow the path. Okay. Now our path is created. This we can call as the length of the school desk. Now we select this body and right click it and choose make group. Now we again select the body and choose the move tool and select this point while and drag the body while pressing control. Okay, now we do flip. Choose this plane. Choose the tool. Okay, now the legs are created. Okay, now we create the support pipe. For this select the line tool, select the point and give dimension 650 mm. Now we will create a vertical line at 650 mm. Again select the line tool and follow the blue line and give dimension 650 mm. Now we create the profile, give the dimension 25 dial. Now go to follow me tool and follow the path. Okay, we now have created the support pipe. Now select the support pipe and right click it and choose macro. Now we choose the follow move tool and drag this support pipe here like this. Slightly adjust it like this. Okay. Now we can delete these files. Now again select this support pipe, press control and drag it like this. Slightly we need to adjust it. Okay, now the frame has been created. Okay, now we'll create the seat for the desk. For this, select the rectangle tool, click here and give the dimension of 550 by 550 mm. Now choose the push tool and slightly give 40 mm. Now select the seat and right click it and make group. Now choose the move tool and drag this seat over here. We need to adjust it now. Do it. Slightly more adjustment. Okay, now we have made this seat for the desk. Okay, now we create the backrest for the chair. For this, select this seat, choose the move tool and drag it while pressing control. Now we rotate it. Choose the rotate tool and select the pointers like this. and rotate by 90 degrees. Again choose the move tool and select this one and drag it over here. Now we adjust it. Okay, our chair has been ready. Okay, now we create the support for this. For this, choose the line tool, click here, and change the dimension as 250 mm. So if we choose this, now we go to save and choose front elevation. I select the line tool and give the dimension as 550 mm. Now we create the profile, give the diameter as 25 mm. Now select the morphotomic tool and drag it like this. Now support has been created for the desk. Okay, now we create the desk. Choose the rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Choose the line tool and follow profile like this. Select the erase tool and delete these lines. Now go to 2 point arc tool and make arc like this. There also arc. There also arc. And one mark arc over here. And one more arc here. Now choose the brush tool and use the extrude as 50 mm. Select the tool and double click it and right click and make group. Select the new tool and drag it over here. Slightly adjust it. Okay, that has been attached to the chair. Okay, now the school dress has been created. Now we color it. Go to this tab and select the desired color. I'll choose gray. We give the color to the support. And for backrest and seat, we'll give this orange color. And for desk, we choose yellow. Okay, our school dress has been created. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.